Namaskar, I'm Devna Maheshwari, your digital marketing coach at dmlessons.com. I have an experience of about 20 years of digital marketing. I've already told you in my last video that you can do an advanced digital marketing course at dmlessons.com for almost free. This is because we refund most of your course fees at the end of the course. But there are many more benefits that you get for doing this course with dmlessons.com. So here I am. In this video, I'm going to list those 16 benefits for you. First of all, the classes will be online. So forget about commuting to your institute and all the traffic jam, etc. Open your laptop from wherever you are or on your smartphone, attend the classes. As it is, online modes are preferred these days. Now, online classes does not mean that you will be given pre-recorded videos. These classes will be completely interactive and live. You will be able to ask your questions from your faculty in real time, and you will be able to indulge into discussions with your fellow students. You will be taken through all the digital marketing concepts by me, who has 20 years of experience. So don't worry, we will not hand you over to those inexperienced faculty members who lack any practical experience. I will share my own practical experience with you, making you more wise while you get into the market. I believe that theoretical knowledge is not enough in today's practical world where you have to perform. So what if you learn with the help of a lot of real life examples and case studies so that you know what is going to work for you, which worked for somebody else also, and what is not going to work for you, which did not work for somebody else also. With these case studies in mind, you will any day be better than freshers. Whole digital marketing is based upon a lot of tools, technology, and platform. You need a lot of tools for everything that you want to do. You need to generate reports, analytics, or any task. You need a tool. But you cannot keep on buying these tools. So we will take you through some free tools which are going to be really helpful and useful while doing your campaigns and projects in practical. In this advanced digital marketing course, I will give you a detailed understanding of all the concepts of digital marketing so you are able to pass the skill assessment tests on LinkedIn and Google platforms, which are going to really help you with your career, as these certifications will give you an initial kick for your career and will help you grab first few jobs. Many of us are not very comfortable with one language, which is English. To ensure that those people who are not very comfortable with English and are Hindi speaking, I ensure that I create all my videos in Hindi language also. Likewise, this course also offers an opportunity for those Hindi speakers to learn digital marketing. Now, whoever thinks that the person who does not know English will not be able to learn digital marketing, I challenge and I help the people to learn digital marketing and establish their careers well into the space of digital marketing. Many times it is observed that students are not able to ask their queries in the classrooms. There can be many reasons. Maybe the class time is over, or maybe they were hesitant in asking their questions in the classroom. Or sometimes the students also think that the concepts are already clear, but when they are given the tests or quizzes, they realize that they still have a lot of questions and a lot of doubts. So we schedule special question and answer sessions for students to ask all the questions and clear all the doubts that they have. And as I just said, you will be given a lot of tests and quizzes, not only to test your clarity on a particular topic, but to also give you a real view of your knowledge on the subject. Now you know that your theoretical knowledge will be enhanced in all possible ways. What if we give you practical training also in the form of internships on live projects with dmlessons.com? You will be prepared to handle independently all the digital marketing projects before you drop into the world of digital marketing. And we will provide you experience certificate also for your completed internships and completed projects. So any given day in the job market, you will be treated as experienced digital marketer and not as a fresher. Not every student and the learning need is same for everyone. Apart from your learning capacity, your need of learning might be different. Some of you might be working professionals who will be able to attend the classes only on weekends. Some others might want to do this course quickly and get into the job immediately after that. And some others still prefer the standard pace of learning. So we offer different pace for learning. We offer weekend classes, we offer daily classes for fast learning, and we also offer standard pace of learning with alternative days classes. Apart, you will be learning in small batch sizes so you can be focused upon, and I, your digital marketing coach, can ensure that your learning is complete in all respects. Because I know that many of you are not from marketing background, I will ensure that you're not lacking behind in marketing concepts. I will take it up from the basics of marketing and will give you insights of advanced digital marketing concepts also in this advanced digital marketing course. And you pay in 2 or 3 simple installments which are interest free as a course fees for this course. Now at the end of the course, most of your course fees will also be refunded, which will effectively make this course free of cost for you. Interesting, no? With all these benefits, join our new batch for advanced digital marketing course. Do share this video with your friends who may also benefit from this course. Subscribe our channel and ensure that you click the bell icon so that you are given the notifications for our new uploads on time. Thank you.